Everyone, welcome to this video in which we are going to see that how can we make Google as the default search engine in Microsoft Edge browser. So the first step is that you need to open up the Microsoft Edge browser from your system. Then as you can see, in my case it already opened Google homepage, but if I just click on a new tab, then what happens is some other search engine is opening. So this is a big search engine that is getting opened. What I want is when I click on a new tab, then it also should be Google. This is the first page on startup that is opening, and that is Google because I have set it already. So let's see how do we open Google search engine by default on creating a new tab. So for this, click on these three dots and go to settings. Now in the settings, what you need to do is go to privacy, search and services. Scroll it to the very bottom until and unless you find this option that says address bar and search. Click on this. Then here is an option to search engine used in the address bar. So by default it is Bing, which is recommended because it's a Microsoft search engine, and now you can just change it to Google. So then you need to restart your Edge. So let me just close it and reopen it again. And now if you just open a new tab, then you will see the search engine you're getting is Google. So that's how you change your default search engine. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.